Florida's secret? It's not just the endless summer or the palm trees swaying in the breeze. It's something much bigger, something that powers the state's economy and shapes its identity. Selling sunshine, and in 2024, business was booming like never before. The allure of warm weather, sparkling beaches, and world-famous attractions drew people from every corner of the globe. A record 143 million visitors poured in, bringing not just their flip-flops, but billions in spending. Airports buzzed with excitement and theme parks overflowed with laughter and anticipation. The economic impact? 133.6 billion, fueling everything from beachside cafes to mega resorts. Every hotel room booked, every meal enjoyed, and every ticket sold added up to a tidal wave of prosperity. Nearly every dollar spent by tourists stayed in Florida, weaving tourism into the state's financial DNA. Local businesses thrived, and communities flourished as visitors explored every corner of the state. This isn't just about big numbers, it's about packed restaurants, full hotels, and jobs for millions. In fact, tourism supported 1.8 million jobs, from hotel clerks to theme park performers. Florida's brand, sun, fun, and a dash of weird, keeps the world coming back. There's always something new to discover, whether it's a quirky festival or a hidden beach. The state's tourism machine is a masterclass in turning visitors into prosperity. Behind every smiling guest is a network of workers, planners, and dreamers making the magic happen. For Floridians, these numbers mean real paychecks and bustling communities. Tourism dollars help fund schools, parks, and public services that everyone relies on. The Golden Goose laid a mountain of eggs in 2024, and everyone benefited. From families making memories to workers building their futures, the impact was felt everywhere. The challenge? Keeping that goose happy and productive for years to come. As the world changes, Florida must keep innovating to stay on top. In Florida, the sun isn't the only thing that's golden. The real treasure is the spirit of hospitality and the promise of another bright tomorrow. Every tourist dollar in Florida is a job in motion. In 2024, tourism supported 1.8 million jobs, one out of every few Floridians. It's not just hotel clerks and theme park staff, it's a web of workers from chefs to mechanics. Each visitor's choices ripple through the economy, fueling paychecks at every turn. Nearly $80 billion in wages flowed from tourism, with $44 billion going straight to frontline workers. For every dollar spent, 59 cents landed in a worker's pocket. This isn't trickle down, it's a direct lifeline for families across the state. Florida doesn't have Silicon Valley, it has hospitality. When tourism thrives, so do Floridians. When it falters, the pain is immediate. More tourists mean more jobs, more stability, and a stronger Florida. The equation is simple and vital. Tourism's impact goes far beyond just creating jobs. It's a tax break for every single Floridian, whether you work in the industry or not. Every time a visitor books a hotel, dines out, or buys a ticket to a Florida attraction, they're helping pay for the things we all rely on. Without the steady stream of visitors, the state's budget would have a massive hole, and it would be up to residents to fill it. Imagine the pressure on families if that responsibility shifted overnight. In 2024 alone, tourism generated a staggering $33.6 billion in taxes from hotel stays, meals, and attractions. That's not just a number, it's a lifeline for our communities. That's money from visitors, not residents, funding our schools, repairing our roads, and supporting public safety. It's the reason our neighborhoods thrive and our services stay strong. Without this crucial revenue, every household would be on the hook for an extra $1,130 in taxes each year. That's a real hit to the family budget, money that could go toward groceries, savings, or a family outing. Thanks to tourists, that money stays in your pocket, real savings, not just theory. It's a benefit you feel every day, whether you're paying bills or planning a weekend with your family. It's the unspoken deal. Residents tolerate the crowds, and in return, tourists help pay the bills. It's a partnership that keeps our state vibrant and our taxes lower. The system works, so long as visitors keep coming. Every plane that lands, every car that crosses the state line, brings new dollars that support our way of life. The tourist dividend is a powerful reminder. Florida's financial health is tied to its welcome mat. When we open our doors, we open opportunities for everyone. When visitors feel at home, every Floridian benefits. It's about more than just money. It's about community, connection, and shared prosperity. It's the best deal in town, and one we can't afford to lose. Protecting tourism means protecting our own financial future. The next time you see a crowded beach or a busy attraction, remember, that's your tax break at work, making life a little easier for everyone who calls Florida home. Tourism isn't just an industry, it's every Floridian's silent partner, working behind the scenes to keep our state strong. Protecting it protects your wallet and ensures Florida remains a great place to live for generations to come. When 2024's numbers dropped, Tallahassee erupted in celebration. Governor DeSantis and his team took a victory lap, crediting their policies for the tourism boom. The message, Florida's open for business approach, made it a magnet for visitors seeking freedom and fun. Visit Florida echoed this, touting the state's stability and liberty as key draws. The narrative is clear: smart policies led to prosperity and tax savings for every household. But taking credit raises the stakes. If policies drive success, they also own the risks. Tying tourism to politics is a high-stakes bet. Leaders now own the golden goose, and the responsibility to protect it. The celebration is real, but so is the pressure to keep the good times rolling. Behind the celebrations, industry insiders know Florida's biggest threat isn't a hurricane, it's politics. Tourism is built on perception. Visitors want to feel welcome and safe. Controversial laws or negative headlines can tarnish Florida's image, making groups and conventions think twice. A single lost convention means millions in lost revenue and jobs. This isn't hypothetical. Recent years have seen travel advisories and event cancellations over state policies. While 2024's numbers stayed strong, warning signs are there. The gamble betting that sunshine and beaches outweigh bad press, but once a reputation is damaged, it's costly to repair. Florida's allure is powerful but not invincible. Floridians know how to weather hurricanes, but not storms of bad publicity. For generations, people here have braced for wind and rain, coming together to rebuild after nature's worst. But there's a new kind of storm brewing, one that can't be patched up with plywood or sandbags. In today's world, a negative headline can do more lasting damage than a storm. News travels faster than ever, and a single story can reach millions in seconds, shaping opinions far beyond Florida's borders. A reputation for intolerance can scare off visitors for years. Tourists who once dreamed of sunny beaches and family fun may suddenly think twice, worried about what they've read or heard. Families and businesses have endless vacation options. Controversy makes Florida less appealing. When headlines suggest trouble, travelers and event planners simply look elsewhere, taking their memories and their money with them. The real danger is slow erosion. Each lost family trip or convention chips away at the state's prosperity. It's not just about one bad season, it's about a gradual decline that's hard to reverse. Unlike hurricanes, political storms linger, with laws and headlines casting long shadows. The effects can last for years, coloring how people see Florida long after the news cycle moves on. Visit Florida can spend millions on ads, but it's hard to outshine a barrage of bad news. No amount of glossy marketing can erase the doubts planted by a steady stream of controversy. Protecting tourism means protecting Florida's reputation as a welcoming place. It's about making sure every visitor feels safe, included, and excited to return. Every negative headline is a warning shot. Each one is a reminder that reputation is fragile, and once lost, it's hard to win back. The state's greatest asset isn't just its beaches, it's its image. That image is built on decades of hospitality, diversity, and sunshine. In the battle for visitors, perception is everything. The choice to visit Florida often comes down to how people feel about the state, not just what it offers. The cost of reputational damage is real and long-lasting. It's measured in empty hotel rooms, shuttered shops, and lost jobs. Florida must guard its welcome as fiercely as its coastline, because in the end, the state's future depends on both. Florida's paradise image is powerful, but fragile. Success depends on a balance of natural beauty, fun, and a welcoming spirit. Protecting tourism isn't just the governor's job, it's everyone's responsibility. Every law, every headline, every interaction shapes the state's appeal. Short-term political wins can mean long-term economic losses. Stewardship means safeguarding both our environment and our reputation. Inclusivity and hospitality are as valuable as sandy beaches. Every Floridian, from voters to leaders, is an ambassador for the state. The prosperity of 2024 was earned, now it must be protected. Don't let short-sighted decisions unravel the formula for success. It all comes down to one rule. Don't spook the tourists. They have choices, and they're quick to change plans if they feel unwelcome. Florida's job is to make their choice easy. Sunshine, safety, and a warm welcome. Anything that makes visitors hesitate is a threat to the state's prosperity. The 2024 boom is proof of what's possible when we get it right. Leaders must weigh every decision against its impact on tourism. Being a good host isn't just good manners, it's economic survival. The Golden Goose is resilient but not indestructible. Every Floridian benefits from tourism's success, so everyone must help protect it. The formula is simple. The stakes are high. Don't spook the tourists.